Hello student. So welcome to MDC Learning. In today's video we are going to cover TY-BCom topic from module number 4, and that is the last part of insurance sector topic in module number 4. So yesterday I have explained about the IRDA Act, and today we are going to cover issues and challenges related to insurance sector. So what is the issues means problem. What type of problem faced by insurance sector? So the number one is customer satisfaction. Okay, insurance companies always claim by the customer that they are not giving proper satisfaction and proper type of service to customers, such as delay in settling claim. Suppose I have taken insurance and now my insurance period is over, so I will get my क्लेम लेट. डिले मीन्स वो लोग अपना पैसा देने में लेट टाइम लगाते हैं. Demanding additional document whenever we demand for our money, and whenever we require any policy they're demanding many type of document. Afterward, non-sanctioning the eligible compensation. Suppose if we got a late claim, if our money got a late, that time whatever compensation we should get, that type of compensation we are not getting. Less court cases judgment in a favor of policy holder. As you know very well, in last video only explained you that many court like ombudsman scheme, many court made by government, so that if insurance company make any unfavorable decision with us, then we can go and file a case against that insurance company. But almost we have seen that most of court are giving judgment in a favor of insurance company rather than customer. The best example is Oh My God movie. We have seen in that whenever Paresh Rawal file a case against the company, that time most of case comes in a favor of insurance company rather than customer. That was movie. I am just talking about general. Next is poor coverage. The insurance penetration and density improving but not in a sufficient way. Many people left out. Insurance penetration in last video only explain you. Insurance penetration means out of total national income, how much percentage of money comes from insurance premium. That is called insurance penetration. मतलब टोटल नेशनल इनकम में से कितना परसेंटेज पैसा इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम से आता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड पेनिट्रेशन. नेक्स्ट इज डेंसिटी. डेंसिटी मीन्स आउट ऑफ टोटल population, how much people are providing insurance premium, that is called density. So day by day penetration and density of insurance increasing, but it is very less. Still many people are there, those who are not having insurance facility. Next is health insurance. As we have seen in a last video that health insurance increasing day by day because increasing population, increasing many type of disease, so people are started to giving importance to their health. So health insurance increasing day by day, but many poor people are not able to reach and they are not able to take a health insurance because the premium of health insurance very high. Next is use of technology. For operational efficiency, the insurance company must use the new technology for administration. Problem of unemployment and retrenchments faces by public unit. Okay, what the point wants to say, as we have seen that now people are moving toward the technology, even customer knows about the various way of online buying and selling, online payment and all. So the insurance company, they have to update themselves as per the increasing in a technology. If the technological improvement they require, it means that the administration should be very strong. On administration level, they should spend money on a company so that company can be advanced. They should use more and more technology. Example, previously for insurance premium we have to go to the company and we have to make a payment, but nowadays we can do online payment also. We can check out our insurance money, and means many things we can check online because use of technology became compulsory in a insurance company. Next point is problem of unemployment and retrenchment faces by public unit. Many insurance companies are government, especially LIC and GIC. So in LIC and GIC, the companies, those who are government, they are facing problem of unemployment and retrenchment. It means that many places are there, many posts are empty, but government, or we can say the policy, are not able to appoint the people due to the political pressure. And retrenchment means unnecessary they fire the people those who are working in that company. So this is also very common in public insurance company. Next is managerial risk. Risk of heavy liability, especially of a non-life insurance company, is serious issue. Such risk can cover by reinsurance and other modern way. Okay, as we have seen that whenever we take a insurance, that time we have to make a payment, we have to pay the premium. But nowadays the importance of life and non-life insurance both increase. Life insurance which are providing insurance only of a life, and non-life insurance which are providing insurance for both, like motor, fire, health, house, etc. So non-life insurance increasing day by day, but still liabilities यहाँ मतलब कंपनी का उधार बहुत बाकी है, अभी तक बहुत सारे लोगों ने प्रीमियम दिया ही नहीं है. सो दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द वेरी बिग सीरियस इशू. एंड व्हेन दिस टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम टेक प्लेस, तो जो इंश्योरेंस कंपनी होती है वो दूसरी इंश्योरेंस कंपनी से अपना री इंश्योरेंस कराती है. इसका मतलब कि अपना खुद का इस तरह का रिस्क ना हो अराइज, तो वो क्या करती, बड़ी बड़ी इंश्योरेंस कंपनी से अपनी कंपनी के लिए इंश्योरेंस खरीदती. एग्जाम्पल, मिस्टर ए इज़ अ इंश्योरेंस कंपनी ओनर एंड मिस्टर ए कंपनी इज़ अ वेरी स्मॉल. सो उसको पता है कि in insurance company the risk is very high, so to protect his company he has taken insurance from Mr. B insurance company which is very very big. So the managerial risk can be also arise because many people are not making payment of a premium. So the best way to avoid this is reinsurance. Next is administration एफिशिएंसी. इंश्योरेंस कंपनी इज अ फुल्ली लेबर इंटेंसिव सेक्टर. इसका मतलब इसमें लेबर चाहिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. इफ़ लेबर इज़ वेरी हाई देन ट्रेड यूनियन हमें पता है, वी हैव सीन द मूवी लाडला, इन दैट द अनिल कपूर ही वॉज द लीडर ऑफ अ ट्रेड यूनियन. सो ट्रेड यूनियन playing very important role whenever any company work on a labor intensive, जहाँ पर लेबर ज़्यादा चाहिए वहाँ पर ट्रेड यूनियन होता है. सो whenever ट्रेड यूनियन इज देयर दे ऑलवेज डिमांड फॉर द हाई एफिशिएंसी इन अ वर्क, then good administration, good infrastructure, then high salary, all the facility. So when this type of thing happen, that time automatically it will be increase the cost of insurance company because of a higher demand from trade union. Next is, now whatever we have learned, these are the problem. It means that this type of problem faced by insurance company. Now what are the challenges? There are different both the point issues. मतलब ये सब problem insurance company face करती. And challenges means now what type of challenge they are facing, means what type of changes they has to make. So as we have seen that the monopoly in an insurance company has a reduced day by day because previously only LIC and GIC they were monopoly in insurance sector, but nowadays there are many private company also started, and FDI, foreign direct investment, are also started to invest in a insurance company. So the monopoly in insurance sector has removed. Now what type of challenge faced by insurance sector? Number one is a competition. As we have seen that after policy of 1991, many private company they have allowed to start their insurance company, and they comes with a many type of benefits. Okay, as private company are allowed to enter into insurance company, it's beneficial for policyholder but not for insurance company. As we have seen that many private company they came in a market, they started to give a good plan compared to the government insurance company, but still many private insurance company are suffering from problem because एक तो प्राइवेट कंपनी में कस्टमर जल्दी लोग बिलीव नहीं करते हैं, और कस्टमर को अट्रैक्ट करने के लिए वो बहुत सारे स्कीम निकालते. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट प्राइवेट कंपनी सफरिंग फ्रॉम अ हाई कॉस्ट. नेक्स्ट इज फंड मैनेजमेंट. Companies invest the premium in various segments of the market such as government security, bond, etc. They require expert to management sufficient fund. Okay, whatever money we are invest in an insurance, that money insurance company use and invest in a stock market. जैसे गवर्नमेंट सिक्योरिटी में वो लोग इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, बॉन्ड खरीदते हैं, इक्विटी, डिबेंचर, इस सब में वो इन्वेस्ट करते हैं और उससे प्रॉफिट कमाते हैं. So if any insurance company want to earn the profit, so they have to appoint a very expert management. So whatever money insurance company is earning with the help of कस्टमर उसे वो प्रॉपर इन्वेस्ट कर सके और प्रॉफिट कमा सके. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट चैलेंज. नेक्स्ट इज कॉस्ट एस्केलेशन. एस्केलेशन मीन्स बढ़ना. Beside regular staff, insurance company require selling agent, commission and additional incentive increase their operational cost. As we know very well, in insurance company, some are regular staff. So regular staff का खर्चा, उनकी सैलरी. उसके अलावा इंश्योरेंस कंपनी ऑल्सो हैज़ टू मेक अ पेमेंट टू द एजेंट. हमने बहुत सारे एजेंट देखे होंगे जो आपको इंश्योरेंस के जो प्रोडक्ट है वो बेचते हुए दिखाई देते हैं. सो इंश्योरेंस कंपनी हैज़ टू मेक अ पेमेंट टू एजेंट एंड दे हैव टू गिव देम कमीशन, इवन मैनी इंसेंटिव, मतलब बहुत सारे कुछ व्हाट यू कॉल इट डिस्काउंट या अलग तरह की फैसिलिटी भी दी जाती है. जैसे कि इफ़ यू विल टेक दिस मच इंश्योरेंस सो यू विल गेट अ टूर ऑफ दिस प्लेस. सो along with the what we call salary of a regular staff, the insurance company has to make a payment to the agent and they have to make a payment to the incentive. अलग अलग तरह के स्कीम डिस्काउंट देने पड़ते हैं to attract the customers. So because of that cost of insurance company is increasing day by day. मतलब उनका चलाने का खर्चा ही ज़्यादा है. Next is premium rate. Due to competition, insurance company lowering the premium rate to attract customer. As we are seeing that now competition of a insurance company increase in a market. So to attract more and more customer, what they used to do, they come with a new scheme. वो अपना प्रीमियम रेट कम करते हैं, पॉलिसी में फैसिलिटी ज़्यादा देते हैं एंड टू अट्रैक्ट कस्टमर बिकॉज दे डोंट हैव एनी ऑप्शन. बट बिकॉज ऑफ लेस प्रीमियम रेट, जो इंश्योरेंस कंपनी कम से कम प्रीमियम रेट में ज़्यादा फैसिलिटी देती है, दैट कंपनी स्टार्टेड टू सफ़र. Next is covering agriculture sector. Okay, insurance company are not interested to cover a crop and agriculture sector because there is always they find loss. But due to the government forcement, many insurance company they started to make investment in a crop and agriculture insurance. Next is use of technology. Beside administration work, new technologies also became must because many customers are familiar with it. It requires educating policyholder for newer technology. Okay, as we have seen that now technology is very essential in insurance company. So if any insurance company improve themselves on a administration level, मतलब आपको ये कंपनी अपना मैनेजमेंट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन स्ट्रॉन्ग कर रही है, so along with that they have to also update them with the technology because customer knows more technology compared to us. So अगर कस्टमर को अगर ज़्यादा पता है टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में, तो कोई भी इंश्योरेंस कंपनी को अपने स्टाफ में टेक्नोलॉजी का कैसे यूज़ करना है, how to use technology, then what type of machine we can use, how we can do online payment. So this type of मतलब टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज़ करना, टेक्निकल लेवल पे अपने स्टाफ को एक तरह की ट्रेनिंग देना, दिस इज़ ऑल्सो वन टाइप ऑफ बिगेस्ट चैलेंज. Next is safeguarding customer interest. There is no problem of safety with the public sector companies. The private sector assure the customer about their premium paid and the benefit to be occurred. Okay, we are seeing that in the market both public sector insurance company and private sector insurance company are available. People are easily invested in a public sector insurance company because they know very well कि आप ये गवर्नमेंट का कंपनी है, सो अपना पैसा नहीं डूबेगा. बट द प्राइवेट कंपनी पर बिलीव करना इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट. सो टू अट्रैक्ट कस्टमर, मैनी प्राइवेट कंपनी दे रिड्यूस देयर premium rate, they providing different type of facility to customer to attract customer. तो उसकी वजह से क्या होता है, जो कंपनीज है, प्राइवेट कंपनीज है, उनका जो कॉस्ट बढ़ता है क्योंकि उनको कस्टमर को अट्रैक्ट करना है एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट दे स्टार्टेड टू सफ़र फ्रॉम दी लॉस. सो दीज आर दी some issues and challenges faced by insurance sector in India, and along with that our insurance chapter is over. So from module number 4 2 chapters are over. Please do study, it will be definitely help you. And whatever points I have given, it is in a short. If you write the point and if you have textbook, then add some more point. Otherwise you can do one more thing, listen the explanation again and again. So whatever point I have given, whatever explanation I am giving, that you can add and you can elaborate your answer, and definitely this videos will help you to clear your doubt about the issues and challenges faced by insurance sector. One more thing, the question will come together. They will ask issues and challenges together in an exam. So when you will prepare, that time you prepare entire answer. First of all, you focus on a point. Point should be proper explanation you can write on your own. Okay, best of luck.